This microscope pairs a large 10.1-inch screen with a sharp digital sensor, so fine solder joints and tiny traces are easy to inspect without eye strain. The sturdy metal lens with its protective ultraviolet filter stands up well to soldering heat and fumes, making it a reliable choice for electronics repair benches. A generously sized integrated work platform and included tool holders give you ample room to handle full boards while keeping essential tools organized. The combination of top lighting and adjustable side lights lets you tune brightness and angle to pull out detail in shiny pads, dark substrates, and awkward corners. Multiple output options, including direct HDMI and computer connectivity, make it simple to share the live view on a larger display or capture high-resolution recordings. The bundled endoscope and measurement software add real value by allowing side viewing of components and precise on-screen measurements for more professional results.